I welcome you all to this session on entrepreneurship development. So far, we discussed about enterprise and entrepreneur concept, meaning, definition, skills, qualities, skills, traits, so and so forth. In this session, let us discuss about the qualities of an entrepreneur. Characteristics, traits, skills we have considered separately. We combine all these, we can discuss. Sometimes you get a question in the exam to write about qualities, or you can say basic qualities. Different persons and authors have given different list as to the qualities of an entrepreneur. Dr. Kiran Muzumdar Shah, CMD of Biocon. As you know, same company has invented Covishield for Covishield vaccine for COVID-19. Majority of us are now vaccinated the first dose of Covishield. Thanks to her company for meeting the social cause. As enumerated by Dr. Kiran Muzumdar, these 10 points which are seen or defeated in this slide are major qualities, or can say should be major qualities for the entrepreneurs. First one, spirit of challenge. As I told you in the other sessions, that industriousness, see, industriousness in the sense propensity of taking or facing the challenge. You know, the business or thinking of self-employed or becoming entrepreneur itself is a big thing, and anybody can dream or dream, but making that dream into reality is a challenge. Reality is a challenge. So when you take it as a challenge, see, lot of business firms, especially MSMEs, have suffered a lot in recent years. First one may be the demonetization. When demonetization took place, they suffered, and followed by that GST. So without having say registered, and even today most of these MSMEs are agro based and village and khadi industries, and they produce some time of artistic and such a craft products, where they get raw materials from a person without having a GSTN. That is their suffering, because they are not getting input credit. Now the things have started improving. So first demonetization, then say GST, then with some financial help and they started stabilizing. Then Corona has come, Corona tsunami, the first phase of lockdown in 2020, and just starting, they are in the verge of picking up with the say economic injection and all from the government and all. Again 2021 lockdown. Yeah. So these are the constraints. Even when you start a business, I told you, try to start a different try to be innovative entrepreneur, and definitely everything will be a challenge and everything will come as a constraints. And when you face these all challenges, you can convert into a, say, opportunity. I used to tell, even if you take the period of this pandemic or lockdown, definitely innovative people started manufacturing, distributing, or taking up services of different type and variety to suit this situation, pandemic and lockdown situation. So spirit of challenge, facing that industriousness, challenge seekers or challenge seeking ability. Then second one, sense of conviction. In spite, I say, they need to face, and every day, at every walk of entrepreneur's life, they face or encounter with the troubles, obstacles, and all these forces are pulling them off. In spite of the forces pulling them off, one need to have a determination and conviction to proceed in the path as he earmarked, specific path, I say, towards the goal. So with any difficulty or with all difficulties, that is a determination, ambition, or determination, conviction. In spite of forces pulling off, one need to concentrate and proceed towards the goal, toward the destination. Then resourcefulness. Say resourcefulness in the sense, you may be a postgraduate thinking that you have all this knowledge, you can run a business. No, to become an entrepreneur, you need to know A to Z, starting with the environmental scanning or survey, market survey, and one need to have the knowledge to find out the technical viability, economic viability, and the market, all these. See, one need to have the skill to feel the punch of this. One need to know the vibrations. So that resourcefulness in all areas. Which product you have to manufacture, what should be the channel, who should be your customer, target customers, settlement method, A to Z, knowledge of all areas. So highly resourceful. Then only you can say or direct others properly. So ethos of persistence. Those are persistence. One need to have our spreading. Don't give up. Sometimes you may fail. So failure does not mean that it's the end or difficulties. One need to have patience. When you invest, you can't expect a return in immediate year or in couple of years. So those of persistence. Then ability to manage failure. See, if at all you wish to become an entrepreneur, you may not get enough knowledge just if you study the success stories of entrepreneurs, or if you just study the autobiography of successful entrepreneurs. You need to study the story or listen to the story or failure story. Study the failure story of entrepreneurs, even failed entrepreneur or failure story of successful entrepreneur. Few will fail initially, then come up, then they rise and skyrocket. But few will do very well at the initial stages, then they fail. So take that failure is a lesson. And learn from that. Then problem solving. See, problem solving in the sense, at every stage, entrepreneur need to take decision, selecting the best, or he encounters a problem. All these companies, if you take that Serum Institute. The CEO had a tough time, had a lot of pressure from government and other governments. He had a memorandum for supply to other nations, and there was say huge cry for vaccine in India. By then, sometime he was outside, stayed outside India to do something. So here, problem solving in the sense, it is not say keeping on telling about a problem, means trying to find out the solution to the problem. In the process, what happens, solution to one problem itself becomes another problem, or solution of a problem may result in lot of other problems. That's why it is a chain. So problem solving, one need to have a problem solving ability. Yeah, problem solving in the sense, good problem solver. Maybe sometimes it is not a confrontation, always compromises. Where he may not be assertive always, need to say cooperative, non-assertive in the sense giving importance to others, keeping cool mind, waiting for opportunity. Then ability to spot and leverage opportunities. Spot the opportunities, where and when. That depending upon that, business or entrepreneurial adapt a strategy. Adapt a strategy. When it is an important thing, ability to spot, where leveraged opportunities to the extent required and say to the extent possible or feasible. Then building core competence and excellence. Core competency in the domain area, maybe to manage the business. What are the competencies? See, competency is not just a knowledge, it is knowledge into skill, maybe taken as ability, into attitude. Attitude is attitude. So attitude and excellence. See, excellence in this is success, competency and excellence, success. Excellence maybe in the quality of product, quality of the service, the benefit of the product. Benefit in this sense, say customer or consumer need to have a surplus, knowing that. Then uncompromising work ethic. So whatever they feel it is good, moral, ethical, they need to keep up that. In short run, they may feel it difficult. Maybe best example CSR. Some are argue that CSR is a mere waste. And again, that CSR in long term, or for the sustainable development, it is must. About advertisement of product in marketing, it is believed that advertising was must initially, when there was say hindrance of knowledge, problem of the knowledge about availability, place of available product, or for the manufacturer, customers, knowledge about the customer. So advertisement was playing a prominent role then. And today, marketers sometimes feel spending on advertisement or huge spending on advertisement is a mere waste. Hence, nowadays, it has become a debatable issue, or say competition topic for the debate, like whether advertisement is a necessary or waste, or is advertisement economic waste, yes or no. Like, so CSR, some are saying that say business is for owners, only profit earning. But the argument and practical experience and realization is that in order to have a return over the period in long run, one need to focus on CSR, community, people, and planet. So uncompromising work ethic, whatever, and you feel it is good and must keep going, proceed. So building a strong organized DNA through differentiation. So this is what yours or identity, your identity, building a strong organized DNA in the product or piece of the product. Good quality, lesser product, or competitive price, upsell service, life, community, welfare activities, all these. So through differentiation means others. So these are 10 important qualities as enumerated or enlisted by Dr. Kiran Majumdar. You take these 10 as important and you can keep, you can elaborate this or keep or add few more when need arises. Then how can be a successful entrepreneur, how to become successful, or you can say uh, requirements to be a successful entrepreneur. Ajim Premji of Wipro has again listed 10 golden rules for successful entrepreneur. So successful in the sense of that's excellence, what Zumdar says. 10 golden rules for successful entrepreneur. One is dare to dream at the very beginning stage. So dare to dream. You see, Dhirubhai Ambani dreamt about the Reliance when he was working with some petrol bunk as a person or boy in charge of filling vehicles. See, dare to achieve the dream, and what a kingdom he established. So dare to dream, that dream, see that dream will come into reality, not a dream in itself, don't leave. Then set a clear goals, what you want to, year, annual, short term and long term, like vision and mission. Again, for the objective, general objective, departmental, functional area, objectives, targets. So target setting, that should be scientific and all. So that clear set what you want to do, when, at what time. So all WH. So dare to dream, set a clear, specific goal. For individual persons, you can take it a smart goal. Then never lose your zest and curiosity for learning. Learning in the sense, learning something like change in the behavior. I can say relatively permanent change in the behavior. So what that zeal, enthusiasm, don't lose it. Then curiosity for learning new. So only when you have curiosity for learning, you can be innovative, and you can be different. Then strive for excellence. Wherever you go, see that you succeed. You will be top. Aim at first place. And you see, when you want to become a self-employed entrepreneur, there is no limit for your earning and achievements. So excellence, whatever product, whatever business, whatever size of a business, see that you are excel there. Then build self-confidence. Be confident of doing. Learn to work in teams, not alone. Teams. Sometimes entrepreneurs may have their own pool or associations. Even with your employees, you may be the leader, captain, others all team players. Take care of yourself. So it is health. Yourself, health, physical fitness in this is physical health. Do some exercise, because when you become entrepreneur, you'll get a lot of stress. You need to have a balanced, say, life. Preserve means ever spreading. Ever spreading. Go think out of box and go ahead, take initiative. And say, take initiative, be the first one everywhere you go. Have a broader social vision, what you are going to do for the society. Broader, wider, throughout your life, or what your enterprise business is expected to contribute for the social cause, social society, not during your lifetime, throughout. That the philosophy you can take as a philosophy for your enterprise. Then never let success go to your head. This is the final one. So achieve excellence, see that you succeed everywhere, but when you get success, see that it won't sit on your head. Don't get any sort of aham, and don't stop there. Think that it is only the beginning. You have more to achieve. So these are 10 commandments or golden rules put forward by Ajim Premji for the successful entrepreneur. How to become a successful entrepreneur when you do all these. Thank you. This is all about this session.